Hi everyone, my name is Ipshita Sharma and I am currently working with Horizontal Digital as a Salesforce functional consultant. So in today's demo session, we'll see an end-to-end use case for B2B scenario for this data cloud POC. Let's see how this connected experience looks like. So let me first walk you through with the agenda, where first we'll see a customer journey or a sales cycle to see how a customer gets connected to another business, that is an e-commerce storefront. And then we will see a before scenario, like before implementing data cloud, what all challenges were faced by customer and of course by another business. And then we will resolve those challenges with the help of data cloud, and then we'll see like what all positive changes came across after implementing data cloud in the picture. And at last, I will walk you through with the demonstration part to see how this built functionality actually looks like. So meet Millie. Millie is currently working with Acme as a procurement manager, where her responsibilities are to buy products in a bulk purpose for her company's employees as per the needed. So let's say her company has organized a sports event and they need two different colors of t-shirts for their two different teams. So now Millie here is responsible for sourcing those two different colors of t-shirt and placing the order for them. So these are the related details of Millie. So details which are highlighted are related to her company details and rest are her personal details. So now Millie has to make a purchase and she was browsing several of different websites, and there she found one, that is Great Lakes Outdoor, a multinational brand and an e-commerce storefront which provides products at a reasonable price and at a good quality. So now Millie's eyes got stuck to those products and now she really wants to make purchase with Great Lakes. So as an anonymous user, she started browsing their website. So why am I saying here anonymous user? Because currently she is not having access to make a purchase. But Millie is determined she will definitely find out a way to get that access. So let's see what path she follows to get that access. So here Millie is still currently browsing the Great Lakes website, and there she found the details of support team of Great Lakes. She raised a ticket with them, and support team of Great Lakes also sent her an email which includes a link of a form, and that is where a web to lead form is embedded. So Millie opens up that form and she fill up that form with all her data, but the two fields like email and company name. So in these two fields, she fills the data which is related to her current company, and that is Acme, and rest all is her personal data. And when she submit up this form, the lead Millie gets captured into the CRM of Great Lakes. And now sales team of Great Lakes comes into the picture, who convert that lead into account, contact and opportunity. And upon this conversion, Millie again receives a welcome mail which includes login details. So using those login details, she is now able to access the Great Lakes website. So she adds some products to the cart, some products to the wish list to make a future purchase. And the products which are added to the cart, she places an order for them. And once she places an order, she again receives an order confirmation mail which says that these are the list of products you have placed an order for. And that's how she made her first happy purchase with Great Lakes. So now Millie took a big decision where she decided to switch her company from Acme to Horizontal Digital, again as a procurement manager. So her responsibilities remain same. But this time she is responsible for buying products for her new company employees. So switching the company didn't change her loyalty with Great Lakes. So when it comes to do shopping, she always turns up with Great Lakes only. So she again decided to get her account created with Great Lakes, this time being with Horizontal Digital. So she follows the same path. She again fill up the same form, but this time those two fields, that is email and company name. So in these two fields, She fills the data which is related to her new company details, like that is horizontal digital, and rest again all personal data. So again her lead gets captured into the CRM of Great Lakes, again gets converted by the sales team, and again she receives the access. So that's how she made her purchase from Great Lakes, being with horizontal digital this time. So now let's say Millie made a total purchase of $8,000 being with Acme, and Millie made a total purchase of $2,000 being with horizontal digital. So her total lifetime value here is $10,000. So her total lifetime value means the total amount of purchase she made being in a relationship with Great Lakes, and that is here $10,000. And this important number is nowhere being stored into the system of Great Lakes. So the internal team of Great Lakes, that is strategy team, who is responsible for order management, cart management, customer management, and the sales team, who is responsible for prospect management and converting them into account, contact and opportunity. And their marketing team is responsible for running up campaigns, advertising, and the tool they use for it is Marketing Cloud. And their IT team is responsible for tracking the customer behavior data. So each team of Great Lakes doing their job, being unaware what other team is doing, and no one here is aware about Millie's data. Like Millie is the same person who was previously working with Acme and now currently working with horizontal digital. So till the time everything was fine, but the twist comes when marketing team of Great Lakes roll out some amazing offers. So offer says that customers who made a purchase more than $10,000 will get a 20% discount on order purchase and a gold club membership. And the customers who made a purchase less than $10,000 will get a 10% of discount and a silver club membership. So it was again a 5th anniversary of Great Lakes. So they provided some additional offers on wishlist products to their customers. So it says that the customers who have products added to their wish list from almost 7 days will get a 10% of discount, and the customers who are categorized as the silver category customers will get a 15% of discount, and the customers who are categorized as the gold category customers will get additional 20% of discount on their wish list products. So after knowing these amazing offers, Millie was really excited and happy. She thought that she is one of their loyal customers, so she deserves this gold club membership. But disappointingly, Millie receives these two mails which are related to silver club membership, and she was not happy. And when she logged into the portal, she was able to see that her silver club membership has been activated, and this really disappointed her. So what was the actual problem and why this situation occurred? So this situation occurred because of being unaware of your customers' data. So the reason is that Great Lakes internal team was unaware that Millie is the same person who was previously working with Acme and now currently working with horizontal digital, and that's the reason her past purchases and her current purchases are not being calculated anywhere into the system of Great Lakes. And that's the reason, according to the separate records, she is receiving silver club membership. And this situation leads to so many of challenges which Millie as a customer faced and Great Lakes as a business faced. So Millie was not happy because now she was not receiving any benefit on her past purchases, and that's the reason she was receiving all incorrect emails, and this increased a trust issue between Millie and Great Lakes. So Millie is the one customer here we are talking about. There can be several other customers who face the same situation like Millie. So this situation created so many of challenges for Great Lakes internal team because they were not able to target the right audience for the marketing strategies. There were no platform where they can track their customers' data properly. And this situation increased a risk that they might lose their loyal customers like Millie. So now Great Lake decided to get overcome from these challenges, and that's how they get to introduce from Data Cloud. And they were amazed to know that Data Cloud, a single platform, can resolve all their problems. So Data Cloud can provide them a platform where they can track their customers' data properly, and it can unify their customers' data and can provide a big picture of their customers' data into a 360-degree view. And also this will help them to target the right audience for their marketing strategies. So after knowing this, Great Lakes internal team didn't wasted their time and they just integrated Data Cloud into their system. So they integrated all their other sources from the Data Cloud, like their e-commerce site, their Salesforce CRM, their marketing, their customers' personalized data. Everything was there into the Data Cloud. So now when every data is being ingested into the Data Cloud, that's how Data Cloud shown its magic. With the help of identity resolution in the Data Cloud, Great Lakes was able to identify that Millie is the same person who was previously working with Acme and now currently working with Horizontal Digital. It's like solving a puzzle and providing a big picture. So all the scattered data that was scattered into the different sources of Great Lakes internal systems is now being properly managed in Data Cloud. So question here comes is that how these identity resolution worked. So these identity resolution worked upon match rules written. So the match rule says that if the name and mobile number match, then unify that particular profile. So if you remember, when Millie filled up her form, being with Acme and being with Horizontal also, so when she filled up that form, her name was exactly same, her mobile number was also exactly same, and that's the reason they were able to identify that Millie is the same person. And that's how Millie's unified profile looks like, where you can see in email field both the emails associated with her Acme company and associated with Horizontal are being merged into the single field, and her companies are also being merged here. So that's how her unified profile looks like. So now we know that Millie is currently active with Horizontal Digital, but how would Great Lakes identify that Millie is currently active with which company? So this problem is also resolved with the help of Data Cloud reconciliation rule, which says that you can pick the best values and you can push that values to different sources. So if you will see that this value also includes her total lifetime value calculated. So this amount came from her all the past purchases and her current purchases, and this value is being calculated with the help of Data Cloud, and now this is her unified profile, and this is the ready data which Great Lakes can push to the marketing team for running up campaigns. And according to this data, she will now receive correct offer mails of Gold Club membership. And on this unified profile, now whenever Millie will do any shopping or will browse the website, customers behavior data and can provide her better personalization, better recommendations, and also can provide her right offer mails. And on the same unified data, Great Lakes can trigger messaging, can do messaging, can provide her recommendations, can trigger email, and can also do a phone call. So isn't it easy? Like with one unified profile, how many things can be easily handled? So we have seen both the scenarios, like before scenario and after scenario. Like before implementing data cloud, we have seen so many of challenges were faced where there was no platform where customers data can be properly tracked, or there was no way to identify your customers data in a unified manner. And we have seen, like after implementing data cloud, how these problems, how these challenges were overcome, where data cloud, a single platform, provided a 360-degree view of customers data and unified the customer's profile, and also provided a way that Great Lakes internal team can target the right audience for their marketing strategies. Now let's see Millie as a customer was happy or not. So Millie was really happy because now she was receiving all the benefits on her of her previous purchases, and that's the reason she was receiving all the valid offer mails, and this will definitely increase her connection with Great Lakes. And other side, Great Lakes team was also happy because now they were able to target the right audience for their marketing strategies. They have a platform where they can have a comprehensive 360-degree view of their customers data, and this will definitely secure their loyal customers with them, like Millie. So now let's move towards the demonstration part to see how this build functionality looks like. So that's how Great Lakes outdoor storefront looks like, and whenever Millie will go and click to this login button, she will able to see this page where it will ask her to fill username and password, which currently she is not having. So she can simply click to this not a member link, and this page will open up details of contact support of Great Lakes internal team. So upon this email address, Millie can raise a ticket asking for access, and upon raising a ticket, support team will send her this email. That is an invitation mail which says that invitation to register on Great Lakes B2B portal. And here is a link of a form. So let's click and see if form opens up. So this is the form. Millie will fill up that form with all her details, and upon clicking to the submit button, her lead will get captured into the CRM of Great Lakes. So now let's move towards the CRM. So here in the lead object, her lead will get created, and again she will receive a welcome email when sales team will convert her record into account contact and opportunity. So I have converted that record into account contact and opportunity, so you will not find that lead Millie in this lead object. So in the contact object, I can show you both the records of Millie, where you can see the name is exactly same, account name is again different, that is company name, the first company Acme and the second Horizontal Digital, and then phone number is exactly same, and email is again different associated with respective company. So when this conversion happens, like lead gets converted into account contact and opportunity, she again receives a welcome mail. So now let me show you that welcome mail. So she receives this welcome mail which says that welcome to Great Lakes Outdoor, your user account details. So here are the username and password details. Using these login details, she can now access to the Great Lakes outdoor storefront. And now let's see how much total purchase she made being with Acme from the Great Lakes and being with Horizontal currently from the Great Lakes. Now let's have a look to that also. So again back to the CRM, and in her account record you can see into the related her total order summary, which says that being with Acme, she made a total purchase of $8,000. And now let's have a look to the Horizontal Digital. Being with Horizontal, she made a total purchase of almost $4,000. So if separately we have a look to it, like if data cloud is not there in the picture, then separately she is considered into the silver club membership. But after unification, like after data cloud implementation, she is eligible for gold club membership. So making any purchase from Great Lakes Outdoor, she will again receive an order confirmation mail. Now let me show you that also. So that is a purchase confirmation mail which will include an order details. And so now when data cloud comes into the picture, and when all the data has been ingested by the Great Lakes internal team into the data cloud, so this data will get captured or ingested into the data stream. So this is the environment of data cloud, and here into the data stream object you can see that all the data coming from different sources has been ingested into the data cloud. So the data is being captured from the CRM, from the third party sources, interaction studio, that is customers behavior data coming from marketing cloud. So now all the data is there into the data cloud, and with the help of identity resolution and match rules we can unify Millie's profile, and we can have that profile unified profile view in this profile explorer. Let me show you how Millie's unified profile looks like. So that's how Millie's unified profile looks like, where in the related you can see the emails captured, like the email which she previously worked with, that is associated with Acme, and currently working with Horizontal is associated with this email. And also you can see this email address, this data is coming from third party data. So data cloud provided you this capability also, which Great Lakes internal team was unaware about this customer data. So this data is also being unified with the help of data cloud identity resolution. So this was also identified with the help of data cloud that this purchase was sometime was made by Millie only. So this is how her unified profile looks like. Let me refresh to show you the customer lifetime value also. So this is how her total customer lifetime value looks like. So now when this data will be pushed to the marketing team, and according to this data she will now receive the right offer mails, that is for Gold Club membership. Let me show you that. So after unification she will receive this email, which is the email for Gold Club membership and 20% discount on order purchases. And she will also receive email of wish list, that is additional 20% discount on wish list products. And that's how this mail looks like. It says an additional offer of 20% discount on wishlist product, where products list is also provided and with the discounted amount, discounted price. So that's how Millie is now happy, because now she's receiving the right offer mails, and whenever she will logs into the portal or logs into the storefront, now she will be able to see the right offer mail activated to her particular portal. Let me show you that. So that's the portal of Millie, where you can see that is current one on which she is currently active with, that is Horizontal Digital, and on this you can see her Gold Club membership has been activated. So after implementation of data cloud, Millie as a customer was happy because now she was receiving all right offer mails, and Great Lakes internal team was also happy because all their challenges were resolved with the help of data cloud. And that's all for use case 1. I hope you found it valuable. Thank you and bye.